Let's whitewash our farmhouse chairs. Today we're going to recreate the look of limewash using latex paint and water. Remove the old finish with a medium grit sandpaper. 80 grit works. Resist the urge to leave bits of the old finish behind. We're going to do our own layers later using a limewash technique. You can cut a piece of sandpaper in half, wrap it around the spindles, and hand sand it if your chair has spindles. Now we're going to sand it again, but with fine grit sandpaper this time. Remember, we want to get down to bare wood and we want it to be smooth. Clean off all the dust from sanding with a clean cloth. You can use a brush to get the dust out of those crevices around the spindles. Mix 2 parts latex paint with 1 part water. Visualize your chair divided into small sections and paint a small area with long strokes, going with the grain. Then immediately wipe off the excess paint before it dries. The paint dries fast. Try not to overlap your strokes too much where the areas meet. Let it dry 24 to 48 hours. If you want a more layered, aged look, you're going to repeat this process several times until your whitewash is more opaque. If you're going for the aged, layered look, this is where you're going to go in with fine grit sandpaper by hand and start rubbing off most of the paint in the areas that get a lot of frequent body contact, like where your legs or feet would brush against the chair legs. On the seat and back, you're going to sand more lightly. The limewash would be a little thinner here from contact with your bottom or your back, but it wouldn't be bare wood here. Seal with a water-based polycrylic and allow your chairs to dry 24 to 48 hours. Here's the before with that orangey beat-up stain on it. And here's the after. What a difference. Perfect for a modern farmhouse decor. To complete your makeover, get yourself a set of farmhouse chair pads from Barnett Home Decor. There are 20 color and pattern options in the farmhouse collection. You won't believe the quality until you try them for yourself. Many thanks to Bre, who brought our DIY tutorial to life. Check out her Instagram at Redesign by Bre. And we're Barnett Home Decor. We're turning 134 years old this year. Come visit our website at barnetthomedecor.com. Thanks for watching.